Hey guys, welcome to Cosplay Life. I'm Air Bear, and today and over the next couple of days I'm going to be working on the wings for Hawk Girl. And this will be my second attempt because my first attempt kind of failed. So yeah, going to try it again. Stay tuned while I figure it out. First time around, that was my plan. It was kind of blocky and not very cute. So the second time around, I decided to go with this plan. Right here is like the back plate and some straps that are going to attach to it. This dark line is going to be cardboard. This line right here is going to be PVC pipe that's going to attach to the cardboard. I'm thinking I'm going to use thicker pieces of PVC pipe and just glue them to the cardboard, and then maybe something magical will happen. And then yeah, I'm gonna do craft foam feathers hanging off of it, and we're gonna call it a day. And hopefully I will have wings. I guess the first step would be to draw the shape of the wings. This brown paper on here is actually paper that was sent in an Amazon package that we received. There was a lot of it. There was already enough of it for me to use it once. And yeah, I'm gonna use it again to trace half of my body and the shape of the wing, reusing stuff for cosplay. So what I'm doing now is looking at my shape. I'm going to draw what I think it should look like. So before I use the box cutter to cut this, but I'm going to try using scissors. I think it might be easier. One wing done. Alright, so I have the wing on the table now, and now I'm just going to reinforce some of the edges with some duct tape. got this PVC pipe. I actually bought it for Special Olympics, but then we didn't need it. So yeah, it's really thick and I can't bend it with a heat gun, but it's really thick so it won't like floppy and bend and whatnot. So I'm hoping it will work better than the pipe I was using before, which was very, very floppy. I'm sorry, you can't see my whole face while I'm talking. I have a pipe cutter. You can get this from Home Depot or Lowe's or a hardware store. And the way it works is you open it up as wide as you need it to be. You stick the pipe in the opening. Then once the pipe is in there, you close it. And look at that. Simple machines. So it will cut it for you. I believe a gear. I think a gear is a type of simple machine. I think that's what we have here, is a gear. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe a gear is a simple machine. I believe that is how this works. It's off of gears, levers, and pulleys. What I'm gonna do now is just kind of cut and measure and see where I need PVC pipe and how long I need it to be. So yeah, this is just guessing and seeing what works. Actually, you know what I might do? I might use the thick PVC pipe here just to hold it steady and on my back. That might be annoying. And then I might use that thinner, more flexible PVC pipe along the top. Just because I'll be able to bend it to the shape. I need some thinking time. I'm gonna think and I'm gonna come back to you. Or I might just start doing stuff. We'll see. All right, I'm back with a solution, sort of, part of the solution. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut this PVC pipe for this section. I'm gonna cut it longer than what I think I need so that I can always cut it shorter, but it's more difficult to add more PVC pipe back on. So I'm gonna cut it longer, and then this will just plug into the back brace thing that the whole wings are gonna attach to. Yes. But I'm gonna use this thick PVC pipe here, and then I'm gonna use that skinny black PVC pipe along the top of it, just to right about there. And I'm going to put the black PVC pipe in the hole. First, I need to check to make sure that will indeed fit in there. But let me show you the black thin PVC pipe. So this is the thinner black PVC pipe. I feel like it's 3/4 of an inch thick. So let me see if this fits in there. And it does, good. So I'm going to kind of put it in there and then let it go up there. So that is my solution thus far. So I'm gonna start cutting and gluing. Yes, longer than you need it to be. This is definitely longer than I need it to be. frame of the wing. Well, now that it's here, it looks really big. There is a reasonable size. So this is what the finished wings look like. I forgot to record a video of just the frames before I put the feathers on, so I'm recording it now. The next step in the wing series is going to be the feathers. So if you want to get a notification of when that video comes out, make sure you hit subscribe. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you next time. Deuces. Fly away.